The Toyota Bajaj 2026 presents itself as a compact yet highly practical vehicle designed for urban mobility and light commercial use. From the first glance, it carries a clean and modern appearance that blends Toyota's refined styling with Bajaj's reputation for efficiency. The front fascia looks confident with a bold grille and neatly integrated lighting, giving it a professional yet friendly road presence. The exterior design focuses on simplicity and functionality rather than unnecessary aggression. Smooth body lines and a tall stance make it ideal for crowded city roads while still offering a solid and stable look. The compact dimensions help with easy parking, yet the vehicle does not feel cramped or underbuilt. Build quality appears reassuring, with sturdy panels and a well-finished paint job. Toyota's influence is evident in the overall fit and finish, while Bajaj's cost-effective engineering ensures the vehicle remains accessible to a wide range of buyers. This balance makes the Toyota Bajaj 2026 appealing for both personal and small business use. Under the hood, the Toyota Bajaj 2026 is expected to feature an efficient engine setup focused on fuel economy and reliability. Rather than chasing high-performance figures, it prioritizes smooth power delivery and low running costs. This approach suits daily commuting, deliveries, and short intercity travel. The driving experience is likely to be relaxed and user-friendly. Light steering and a comfortable driving position make it easy to handle in traffic-heavy environments. Suspension tuning seems aimed at absorbing bumps and uneven roads, which is especially important for developing markets. Inside the cabin, the design is straightforward and practical. Controls are placed logically, making them easy to reach and understand even for first-time drivers. The dashboard layout avoids clutter and focuses on essential information, contributing to a stress-free driving experience. Seat comfort is adequate for daily use, with supportive cushioning and durable upholstery. The high roofline ensures decent headroom, while the upright seating position provides good visibility of the road. This is particularly beneficial for city driving and frequent stops. Passenger space is utilized efficiently, offering enough legroom for short to medium journeys. While it may not feel luxurious, the interior does not feel cheap either. Instead, it delivers a balanced environment where durability and comfort go hand in hand. Cargo capacity is one of the Toyota Bajaj 2026's strong points. The rear area is designed to be flexible, allowing users to transport goods, tools, or luggage with ease. For small businesses, this versatility can be a major advantage. Safety features are expected to include essential systems such as airbags, ABS, and stability support, depending on the market. Toyota's emphasis on safety standards adds confidence, even in an entry-level or budget-oriented vehicle. This makes it suitable for families as well as commercial operators. Technology in the Toyota Bajaj 2026 focuses on practicality. A basic infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and necessary driver assist features enhance convenience without complicating the user experience. The tech package feels adequate for its segment. Fuel efficiency is likely to be one of the vehicle's biggest selling points. Designed to keep running costs low, it suits drivers who cover long distances daily. This efficiency also makes it environmentally friendlier compared to older commercial vehicles. Maintenance and servicing are expected to be affordable, thanks to Bajaj's wide service network and Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability. Spare parts availability should be good, reducing downtime and ownership stress. This is crucial for users who rely on the vehicle for income. On the road, the Toyota Bajaj 2026 feels stable and predictable. It may not be sporty, but it delivers confidence through controlled handling and consistent braking. The focus remains on safety and ease of use rather than excitement. Noise and vibration levels are kept within acceptable limits for this category. Engine noise is noticeable but not intrusive, and the cabin remains comfortable during regular driving conditions. This contributes to a pleasant daily driving routine. Value for money is where the Toyota Bajaj 2026 truly shines. By combining Toyota's engineering standards with Bajaj's affordability, it creates a product that offers long-term benefits rather than short-term appeal. Buyers get reliability without paying a premium price. The vehicle is particularly suitable for urban entrepreneurs, delivery services, and small families who need a dependable multi-purpose vehicle. Its adaptability allows it to serve different roles without major compromises. Overall, the Toyota Bajaj 2026 stands out as a sensible, efficient, and dependable option in its segment. It may not be flashy or luxurious, but it delivers exactly what most users need: reliability, economy, and practicality. For those looking for a trustworthy vehicle for daily use, it represents a smart and well-balanced choice.